Note that this is not about operation skill. Now let our customer Mr. Ali experience STelego stability. Okay, Mr. Ali, I would like to invite you to play a small game to test the stability of the harness mounting device.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, Mr. Ali. So after playing this game, what is your feeling about the function?
Yeah, well, if I talk about the stability, it's really quite impressive. I mean, you can see the glass of water. Even the water is still on a specific level. It's not going out of the glass.
Yes.
So I'm impressed with the stability. Yeah.
Okay.